All right, welcome. I'm going to show you how to make a payment in our resident portal. This is also going to be a tutorial on how to make a payment when there are no pending charges. So there's no pending charges is very common when you are a new resident and your rent hasn't posted yet because your lease start date is in the future, but you're trying to make a payment now. We do require that our residents pay their first full month in advance, so this rent charge will not have posted by the time you log in here. You may have paid your security deposit because that charge does post immediately once you sign the lease, but the rent charge is date-based, and the date is based on your lease start date. So what you want to do is just log into your portal. Here I'm logged into an example account, and what we're going to do is go here to Pay Now. You can see here that there is nothing for you to pay. That's because that charge is not posted yet. We're going to go ahead and pay now anyway. And I'm going to choose e-check because that's free. Credit and debit card carries a convenience fee that we don't have any control over. And this is our recommended option. So you're going to see here that I'm going to make a payment from this saved account. This would be the same account that you used for your security deposit. If you saved that account, you don't have to. You can use a different account every time. You just have to enter that bank information every time, or new bank information every time. You can also select a new account, but I'm going to go ahead and use this existing account just for the simplicity of this example. So I'm going to go to Continue. And here we have choose a payment amount and date. You see the current balance is 0. There's nothing for you to pay, but we're going to make a payment anyway. So 5/13, that's today, but we're going to go ahead and we can change the date if we want to. We can set that in the future. This is also a good time to make a prepayment of rent. We'll just go ahead and do that. And how much do I want to pay? Well, I'm just going to make a payment of my full rent amount. And I'm going to go to Continue. Now the next step is for you to verify and schedule the payment. So because this is a fake bank account, I'm not going to go ahead and click that, but that would be the next step. And that's really it. You're done. This payment is going to go into your account. It's going to sit as an account credit because there was no charge to offset. So it'll sit there until the charge appears, which will be on your lease start date if you're making your initial rent payment. If you're just making a prepayment in advance of the next month's rent and you just don't happen to not have any account balance at this time, same thing will happen. It'll be an account credit on your account that'll sit there until a charge appears, which will be on your next rent posting date. That's it. Hope you enjoyed, and have a great day.